At SITECH, we help a variety of different customers, from people that have never used a drone before and just want to see how it could benefit their business, to people that have really established drone programs and are just looking to expand that and see what they can add to it. So being local for a lot of our customers is really nice because, you know, we're just a phone call away. It's easy from the very beginning, you know, setting up that meeting where we're going to learn about your business. We can do that, you know, in the field or at your office.
The drones that we provide at SITECH Louisiana can get you within 1/10 of a foot, and some of our drones can even get down to 1/8 of an inch of accuracy, which is remarkable for drones. If you have a repair need or technical need or just troubleshooting in the field, we're there every step of the way.
So whether you know nothing about drones or you're already an expert, we can definitely find a way to partner and help you guys out.